What's up everyone, welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over how to add Amazon affiliate products to your WordPress website. Now what I'm going to be showing you in this video is how to set up your WordPress website so you can add these product categories, so you can see all the product categories we've already added. If we scroll to the bottom, one of our categories is wicker patio furniture sets. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to go to Amazon.com, you enter a search, you scroll, and let's just say I want to add this product to my website. I'm going to open this link. We're going to come over to this product. So from the product page, we can use the WZone Direct Import plugin, and we can come to where to import, one site selected. So we have our Wicker Guide website. If we click here, we can choose the category where we want to add products. We scroll and you can see we have our wicker patio furniture sets right here. So we're going to take this, close it. We're choosing this category for this product. Click on close, and now we can just click right here and it's going to add this product to our website. Okay, it's that simple. It takes a few seconds. We can click on view the product. It's going to open up this product on our page, and you can see right here wickerguide.com, and it looks exactly like it does on Amazon. It's going to import the product description, the price. This price will continuously stay updated. And then at the very bottom, when people click on learn more, it's going to bring them right to that product page, and you can see our Amazon Associates tag on the end. Now, every time someone comes to this page and purchases this product or anything else from Amazon in a 24-hour period, we will get credit for that sale. So that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. This is the 12th video in my From Zero to $2,000 per month series. If you want to watch all of our videos, you can find them on our YouTube playlist, From Zero to 2K, free digital marketing training. And I'll put the link for this playlist in the video description so you can easily follow along. Now, it's important to note for this specific video is in my video, how to create an Amazon affiliate marketing website, I go over how to set up your website so that you can add products to it. So if you're looking for a really detailed and in-depth process of how to do that, you can come to my video for how to create Amazon affiliate marketing websites, start at the 23-minute mark, and I go through the actual step-by-step process for creating an Amazon affiliate store on your website. I'm also going to create a specific video for how to do this that will come out very shortly. But for right now, what I want to do is go over some of the best practices when you are adding products to your WordPress website, categorizing products, and everything you really need to know about displaying them. So we're going to start number one. In order to add products, you need the WooCommerce WordPress plugin, and you also need the WooCommerce Amazon Affiliates plugin, which is called WZone, also referred to as WooZone. So if we come over to our plugins page on WordPress, you can see all the plugins we have here for Wicker Guide. A few that I would want to note: direct checkout for WooCommerce. That's another one that you can add. It allows people to click on a product and go directly to that Amazon affiliate product. I'll show you that in a little bit as we go through the website. Keep coming down though. The two main plugins I want to go over right now are WooCommerce. So you can install this completely free, and then WZone, the WooCommerce Amazon affiliates. So for WooCommerce, all you need to do is add a new plugin, and you can either just search for it right here, just search WooCommerce, it'll come up, or if you click on popular, it is one of the most popular plugins used on WordPress. So if we come down right here, it's the 6th plugin, you'll see WooCommerce. So just install it and activate it, and then you can go through the process of setting up your store. And then the other plugin that you're going to need is the WooCommerce Amazon Affiliates plugin, and you can also go directly to their website. It's wzone-plugin.com. The pricing is the same on codecanyon.net, so this is usually where I purchase it, as it is on their website. You might pay a little bit of a fee on codecanyon.net, but a regular license for one website is $49. So you do need these plugins if you're going to import products to your WordPress website. So that's going to be number one. You need to install those two plugins, and going to number two, you need to configure the WZone plugin after you install it. You need to add your Amazon product advertising API keys. This will require an active Amazon Associates account, and you'll need to install the WZone Direct Import Chrome extension. So we'll start here with the WZone plugin, and what you want to do is go to the back end of your website and open up the plugin. So if you go to WZone, you'll see on the left-hand side here, it has its own thing for this plugin. So like Smush, WordFence, Yoast SEO, you'll see WZone once you install it, and you want to click on Config. So when you go to Config, it's going to open up your Amazon configuration. And when you go to the Amazon Setup tab at the top and you scroll down, you're going to see there's Add Multiple Amazon Keys. So what you need to do is add your Amazon keys here, check them, and then add them. And what that's going to do is it's going to connect your WordPress website to your Amazon Associates account. So if we come here into the back end, you can see we had a pretty good day recently for Wicker Guide. So we had a day where we earned almost $60, 12 clicks, 0 ordered items, but we shipped 3 Wicker products out. And you're seeing our clicks are increasing. So 45 clicks previously is the best that we've seen so far. So we're right on track to get to our 2K. We just need to keep on working on our website. But one of the most important things is adding these products. And in order to get your product advertising API keys, you want to go to Tools. So when you're signed into your Amazon Associates account, go to Tools and go to Product Advertising API. When you go here, you can generate the keys that you can add here. Very easy to set up. You just go right to that page. I'm just not showing my Amazon keys because I think I do need to keep them private because they are specific to my account and my website. So once you do that, you add those keys, you can click on Save. You'll be able to import products. And then if you want to see how I set up the plugin, how I set up my imports, what you can do again is watch this video, start at the 23-minute mark. Otherwise, I will have a separate video about how to do that. Okay, if we come back over here to number 2, so we've configured our WZone plugin. We added the Amazon product API keys. And what we need to do now is install the WZone Direct Import Chrome extension. So when you do install WZone on your website, you'll see on the left-hand side, one of the options is Direct Import. So that's the page that you want to go to. When you go to this page, it's going to tell you to get the WZone Direct Import extension here. You could also just go directly to the Chrome Web Store. So you can see I already have it installed on my Google Chrome browser. So if we come over here, you can see it's going to say WZone Direct Import extension is already authorized to access and import products. So you need to make sure you authorize it at the very top. You're going to have to enter your URL here. So in our case, it's wickerguide.com. And again, I have to hide my key, but it's right down here at the bottom. So what you're going to do is generate a new key and then click on Save. And you just want to make sure you're connecting your WordPress website to this Direct Import Chrome extension, because this is what we're going to use to add Amazon products to our website. So we come back over here and we're going to go to number 3. The next thing you want to do is create product categories to add products directly from Amazon. So we're going to come back to our website, and when you install WooCommerce, what's going to happen is it's going to add this products field here. So if we click here, it's going to show all of the products I've already imported to wickerguide.com. So if we come to our products page, you can see all of the products we've added already. And then what I want to show you is our product categories page. So I've gone through this a little bit in the very beginning of the video, but here are all of our different product categories. And what I do is I add a bunch of product categories, and then what I want to do is try to add at least 50 products, sometimes over 100 products, depending on what it is. So we're going to add a new category right now. And usually what I'll do is in my Excel spreadsheet, I'll go through the different product categories I want to add onto my website. And this is one of the most difficult parts of running one of these websites, is staying really organized with your categories. So over time, this is really going to change. But ultimately, what I try to do is break it down as much as I can so that I'm targeting as many of my long tail keywords as possible. So if we come over to our spreadsheet and we're looking at all these different keywords that we're trying to target, when you start scrolling down, you start seeing the way that people are going to search for different keywords. You might see something like we have down here, wicker bar stools with backs. So over here on my product categories page, you can see I have wicker chairs and wicker bar stools. So one of the things I can start to do is continue to break down these categories into things like backless wicker bar stools, things like wicker bar stools with backs. So over time, I'm going to end up using my keyword list to keep adding more and more categories to my website so that I can add products into those categories. For right now, what I want to do is I just want to show you under wicker tables here. So I haven't added all of these categories yet. One of my things is wicker folding tables. So that's one of the product categories that I want to add. So if we come over here, what I need to do is go into the name section. We'll do wicker folding tables. The slug is going to be the URL friendly version of this. So you can see I was working on beachfront decor. It automatically pulls up nautical bedding sets. So if I do wicker folding tables, this is the URL that will be for this category. So for example, the black wicker baskets, the URL for that category is black-wicker-baskets. So we need to set a parent category, which is going to be wicker tables. So if we scroll down, you'll see wicker tables here. Enter a description. So for right now, I'm just going to skip this, but usually I'll write about a 200 character description, something like a meta description. Sometimes I'll write them a little bit longer. It just depends on the category. And then we need to upload our image. Usually for all these images, I use a 325 by 325 image, and I just pull it directly from Amazon. I haven't had any issues with using Amazon images because they encourage their Amazon associates to use the images so that they can drive more sales for their products. So I'm going to upload this thumbnail. Okay, so you can see our wicker folding tables here. Now that product we added in the very beginning of the video, you can see the images for that product, so that those are all imported right when we click that button. But for right now, we have wicker folding tables here. So a 325 by 325. We'll take this title tag, put it in the alt text. We'll click on use image, and now we can add this new category. Okay, so we have a brand new category added. So what we can do is add products to that category. All we need to do is go directly to Amazon, and what I'll generally do is I'll enter my keyword here, so wicker folding table, click on enter to get the results, and you're going to see here at the top, so we have our WZone direct import plugin. It's going to say if you want to import products, please go to any Amazon product details page. So what that means is if I want to import this product right here, I need to open this page, and then from that product page, I'm able to add it. So this product I've already added to my website. I'm going to show you how to add products into some of our different subcategories in a minute. But for right now, what I would do is I would come to where to import. We're going to go to Wicker Guide, click right here to import in the category. So it's pulling up wicker patio furniture sets because that's what we added earlier in the video. We click on this drop down, and what we're going to do is go to wicker folding tables. So you want to choose the correct category here, click on close, and then click right here to import that product. So you can see this one is already imported in the database, but usually what I'll do is I'll first import one product like this, and then I'll open a bunch of products, because what's going to end up happening, so we'll open a few here, okay, and we'll do one more, we'll do this one at the top, and what's going to happen is once you import one of these products into a new category or any category, so we just imported this into wicker folding tables, any new product page that you open is automatically going to select that product category. So you'll see here, import in category, wicker folding tables for this new one that we opened. So we have this one right here. So import into category. So you're going to see wicker folding tables. So what that allows me to do is add a bunch of products into one category at a time. And that's usually what I'll do is I'll say, okay, right now I'm going to add as many wicker baskets with handles as I can. I'll go to Amazon, I'll search that keyword, I'll open up one page, import a product into that category, and then I'll just go right on through and open up about 20 to 30 pages at a time. And you'll see, so for this one I already added, for this one I haven't added yet, so you always want to make sure you have the right category, wicker folding tables, click right here, and this will add this product into our website. Okay, we'll click on view product just to show, and here we are, and you can see the Amazon price matches the price on Amazon, so $63.90 right here, and you'll see a lot of this same information that's on the product page added to our website. So all we need to do is keep going through one by one, click on this button to add it. Now the other thing you're going to see for some of these products is this product variations. So something like this might have a bunch of different product variations with different colors, sometimes different styles. Usually for me, what I'll do is if I want to add some of these different variations, I'll go through and add them one by one. So let's just say, for example, I want to add this white table right here. So it's going to be a 2.6 foot, this white table, basic bar height. I'm not going to add this because it's not a wicker product. So what I would do is choose this variation from the bottom and then refresh the page, and that will open up this specific variation of this product. So now you can see the white table at the top compared to the brown wicker table we had previously. And if I click here, it'll add this specific product into my website. You can also just import variations. So for example, there's different types of products that have 3, 4, 5 variations with different styles, different colors. If you think about sneakers, for example, so a company like Adidas will have one style of sneaker with a bunch of different colors. So those would be the different variations. Me personally, I prefer to add each one individually, but you can also use variations as well. It's really a matter of preference. So we'll come over, we'll add one more product here. So here's another folding table. Just click on the button. I already know I have the right category here because I've already added one of these wicker folding tables into my website before I open this page. Now keep in mind, if I do come to this product here, and let's just say I am adding it to a different category, I'm not going to, but let's just say I want to add this one to wicker dining tables, for example. I could click on wicker dining tables, close, add this product, but then every new product page I open is automatically going to opt into this wicker dining tables category. That is why I will choose one category, add a product, and then just stick with that category until I pretty much add every relevant product on Amazon. You might run into some issues if you're trying to add products that don't have any price at the bottom. So if you don't see a price here, you're going to have trouble importing it. I'll find an example. Okay, so right here, so this conversation set. So if we open up this page, what you'll see at the top is it's going to say no price. So if you have something that's only available from these sellers and there's no specific price listed on Amazon, you're going to get a no price here and it won't allow me to import those products. So there are some issues when you're trying to import certain products. The other thing I would recommend doing is look for products with a lot of product reviews. So that's usually where I start, because as you get further down some of these pages and you look at all these different Amazon products, you're going to find some things that might just not be the best fit for your website. So I really wanted to spend as much time as I could on this third portion, creating product categories and adding products directly from Amazon. These are some of the things that I think about as I'm adding products. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I'll try to answer them for you. But it's something you'll get better and better at over time. It's a really easy process. It just takes a lot of time. So that will bring us into number 4. So the next thing you want to do is install the WooCommerce Shortcodes plugin so that you can list products directly on your website. So if we come over here, we're going to come back to our plugins page, and you can see here we were adding the WooCommerce plugin. So I'm just going to come over to installed plugins. What you want to do is add new and search WooCommerce Shortcodes. So it'll come up. It's a completely free plugin. You want to install and activate it. If we come down, you're going to see here WooCommerce Shortcodes. All that does is it allows us to use the different WooCommerce shortcodes on our website. So you want to install this plugin. And if you're looking for a huge list of the different ones that you can use, come to this page right here, shortcodes included with WooCommerce. I'll put the link in the video description. And if we scroll down, it's going to show you how to use shortcodes, where to use them, how they work, and some of the different things you can do with them. For example, if I have order tracking on my website, if I'm not running an affiliate website, for example, and I'm actually selling physical products, all I need to do is add this shortcode to a WordPress page, and then someone who visits that page will see the order tracking form. So it makes it much easier to add pretty much anything you want to a page, and you can use page shortcodes, products, product categories. So there's a lot of different things you can do. Now, what I want to just show you pretty quickly is if we come over to our post section and I'm looking at my best wicker baskets with lids, we'll come to the edit field here and we'll open up this page, and you can see right here is a WooCommerce shortcode. So we're saying products category. We want WooCommerce to list all the products from this category. We want to list them with 3 columns, and we want to limit it to 300 total products. So if we come over here and we scroll down, some of the different product attributes. So limit the number of products to display, columns, the number of columns to display. Now you can also do things order by date, so the date the product was published, order by popularity, order random, order by rating. You can add multiple categories, so a comma separated list of category slugs. So you can add tags as well, so product tags. So there's a lot that you can add if you want to add products to a specific page. So if we come over here to best wicker baskets with lids, the place to get the actual ID. So what you want to do is go to your product categories page, and the ID is going to show up at the very bottom of the page right around here. I've shown this in previous videos. This is the only way I know how to get product IDs. So if we go to our wicker baskets with lids, we just put our mouse over the edit link right here. You'll see at the very bottom of the page, it's going to say tag underscore ID equals 1691. So right here at the bottom of the page, you're going to see tag underscore ID equals 1691. So I take that and I put it right into my product category shortcode. So 1691 will add wicker baskets with lids to this page. So if I open up my blog post and we scroll down here, you can see it's adding all of the different products from that category onto this blog post. So now what I can do is write longer blog posts about different styles, different colors, different themes, sizes, pricing, pretty much anything anyone would ever need to know. And I can also list a bunch of relevant products for sale. So this helps me drive more and more sales back to my Amazon Associates account, is by creating these blog posts and then listing these products by using WooCommerce shortcodes. So that's going to be number 4, is using that WooCommerce Shortcodes plugin so that you can display your products anywhere you want to. Next is going to be number 5. So as it comes to doing categories and putting a bunch of products into one category, I use the PW Bulk Edit plugin. It does cost $59 for a single site license. So if you go to pimwick.com/pw-bulk-edit, you'll see here for one website, it's $59. I purchased the 5 website plan, so I use it on all of my different websites, and I purchased this. And what it allows us to do, so if we come over to our backend, you'll see Pimwick plugins here, PW Bulk Edit. So this is what the plugin looks like. And the way that I use it is, for example, let's just say I'm adding products into my Wicker folding tables category. So we created that category before. So what we want to do is come over here. Let's just say if the product name contains, and I'll say folding, we're going to do add a filter. The product category contains, and what we're going to do is choose any of the products in the Wicker table category that have folding in the name. So we're going to do tables. So it'll pull up every single product in this category with folding in the product name when we click on search. So there's a total of 5 records found. So what I can do is just make sure if I scroll over here, you can adjust pricing, you can adjust products one by one. So I can come in here and change the name of each individual product. That's something you might want to do because some of the products on Amazon have pretty long names and sometimes they're just not the best for the products on your website. All of these ones are pretty good, but you'll find a few with really long. You can tell some of these companies are trying to stuff SEO keywords directly into their product titles. So sometimes what you can do is adjust these product names. But what I want to do is if we scroll over, so you can edit any of these in bulk or for any specific product. So if you want to add product descriptions, short descriptions, variation description, any tags. But what I like to do is come in here to categories. And if we edit all check products, add to categories, we'll do folding and we'll click on apply. So 2 of these were changed. So 2 of these are now added into this category as soon as I come over and click on save changes. So I can save these changes. It'll save both of them. And now I'll have 5 total products into that category. So coming back over here to number 5, I've tried different bulk edit plugins for WooCommerce. This has been the best one for me so far. There's a few other ones you can try. There are some free variations you can try, but this was worth the money because working with some of the free plugins, I just wasn't able to accomplish what I needed to. Okay, so we're going to come over to number 6. So you want to make sure you're syncing products regularly to remove out of stock Amazon products. This is a really easy process and it's all done through the WZone plugin, the Amazon affiliate marketing plugin. So if we come over to WZone, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on the WZone link and that'll bring us right to the dashboard area. So in the dashboard area, you can see all of these different categories that you can click on. So you can go through these one by one. There's a lot of information about this plugin out there. So if you have any questions, you can always do searches. If I don't have a video or any content for it, I'm sure other people do because it's a very popular plugin. But what you want to do is come in here to products synchronization, and it's going to bring us right to this page here. So product synchronization, and we'll scroll down. And what this does is we can say each product has to sync the following price, and we're going to say every single day, 50 products per request, and we're going to save our settings. So what that means is every single day in the morning, our WordPress website through this plugin will automatically check the pricing of all these different products. So you can see right here, this product was synced this morning, December 9th, and it's had 171 total syncs, and it's going to check that price every single day to update the product price on our website. So if we open up the products page here, so you can see this is a product I just added. So we'll click on view and open. What's going to happen is Amazon and my website are going to connect with each other to see what the price of this product is, and they'll keep it updated on a daily basis. If this price goes to 0, it's automatically going to delete this product from my website. So it's important to do that because you want, when people click on the learn more button, to see the same price that's on your website. And if something's out of stock, you want to make sure it's out of stock on your website as well. So by using product synchronization through the WZone plugin, you're able to remove those out of stock Amazon products automatically, and you don't have to go check them one by one, which eventually just becomes impossible as you add more and more products to your website. So this is something to keep in mind and a best practice when you're trying to make sure that your products match what is showing up on Amazon as well. Okay, so hopefully everything I've gone over to this point makes sense. I mean, really with categories, you want to add as many categories as possible. And what you can do is look at what some of your competitors are doing, look at their product categories and how they break them down, because it can help kind of give you some ideas for how you can break down your categories as well. The other thing you can do after you install WooCommerce is you can add product tags. So for example, if I want to put every single type of product into a specific color tag, I could say, okay, here's all my brown wicker furniture, here's all my white wicker furniture, here's all my gray wicker furniture, here's all my black wicker furniture, and I can create product tags to do that. You can also handle a lot of this with categories. So tags are just another option. If you don't want to add a product category, you can use tags instead. So that's something I want to make sure I go over. The other thing is with the WooCommerce Direct Checkout plugin that I went over earlier in the video. So if we come over to our plugins page, Direct Checkout for WooCommerce, it's a completely free plugin to install. And if we come over here and we just go to WooCommerce and you can click on Direct Checkout, and what it allows you to do is instead of people adding products to a cart on your website, right when they click on Learn More, it sends them to Amazon. This is my preferred method because what can happen is someone can come here, add this table, maybe they add dog food, maybe they add some clothing, whatever it is. I mean, Amazon sells literally everything. You're going to get credit for everything they purchase. So really for me, what I want to do is send as many people as possible to Amazon so that I can get credit for what they're purchasing. And if we come over to our earnings so far for this month, you can see I've driven 155 clicks. There's only been one ordered item so far. 4 shipped items. My shipped items revenue is $2,000. So I like to use the WooCommerce Direct Checkout plugin because then people can click on those products and automatically go right to Amazon. So we're going to wrap the video up, and some of the main takeaways: use the WooCommerce, WZone, and PW Bulk Edit WordPress plugins to add and manage your Amazon affiliate products. Your total investment for these plugins: WooCommerce is free, WZone is $49, PW Bulk Edit is $59. You want to maintain and categorize your products using product synchronization and creating as many product categories as possible. So for right now, let's see how many categories I have on my website. So we'll go to products, we'll go to categories, we'll leave. So right now I have 44 product categories. On my website, beachfrontdecor.com, I have over 300 categories. So I'm going to keep adding these over time, and using some of these examples here, I'm going to start breaking down these more and more. So I might end up doing brown wicker bar stools, white wicker bar stools, any type of long tail keyword someone searches. If I have a product category for it, it's going to help my search engine optimization efforts. It's going to help my traffic. More traffic means more revenue. So make sure you are using product categories as much as possible to target those long tail keywords and to really create a solution for people who are looking for something really specific. Last but not least, use WooCommerce Shortcodes. There's a ton of them out there. I will create a specific video about WooCommerce Shortcodes, and then I'll also put that URL in the video description so you can go see how they are used. So if you have any questions about any of this, please leave them in the comments section. I will be creating a specific video about this topic as well, where I add an Amazon affiliate store to an existing WordPress website. But for right now, I just want to go over some of my best practices with adding products, creating categories, and everything really that I do when it comes to going to Amazon, adding products, and making sure they appear on my website like an e-commerce store. So again, any questions, leave them in the comments section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.